Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the latest and greatest from Figma, their brand new AI features. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these updates are going to blow your mind. But wait, there's also some controversy and privacy concerns you need to know about. I am Nairobi from Brighten Up. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the new AI features in Figma. These tools are designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. From generating design drafts to intelligent layer renaming, Figma AI is here to help you focus on what you do best, designing. One of my favorite new features is quick prototyping. Figma AI can now automatically generate prototypes by understanding buttons and their target pages. It includes basic animations and transitions, making the prototyping process much faster. You will love it. Next, let's talk about the layer renaming feature. Figma AI can now rename your layers and child elements accurately. For example, it can identify a song title and name it accordingly, making your design process more organized. Figma AI will only rename certain types of layers, frames, groups, rectangles, and rounded rectangles that contain an image fill text layers. Next is Dev Mode. In Dev Mode, new statuses like edited and completed make it easier to communicate changes and readiness, supporting a smoother development process. You can also view your designs on any screen size with a new responsive prototype. This is cool, right? Comment me which one you like most. Next is Figma Slides, the first presentation tool built for designers and their teams. Figma Slides makes it easy to co-create narratives, engage your audience, and craft impressive slide decks with features like auto layout, advanced property, and shared libraries. You can even use prototyping options within your slides. Copy a prototype of your design and paste it into your slides to allow SSX interactive presentations for you and your audience. You can also use polls and alignment skills to get real-time feedback from your audience. Figma has also completely revamped its UI design. While it looks modern, some users might find the new gray boxes and layout a bit overwhelming. However, the updated responsive prototyping features make it easy to switch between mobile, web, and tablet views. Now, let's address some concerns. Figma AI uses public files for training, but there's worry about private files being used. By default, starter and professional plans are opted in for this. Let me show you how to enable those AI feature settings. Click All Projects next, View Settings. AI, Manage AI Settings, enable AI features and content training. You can enable and disable those buttons. That's a wrap on the latest Figma updates. What do you think about these new features and the privacy concerns? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. You can also check out this video, Top AI Tool for UI UX Design. See you next time and happy designing.